Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a looping video background in Wix Studio. If you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your website, a looping video background can really make an impact. It's a great way to grab attention and keep your visitors engaged, making your site stand out in a visually compelling way. Let's dive right into the process to help you create a seamless and compelling visual experience for your page. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is where you can make all the changes to your site's layout, content, and design. Once you're on the editor page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already accustomed to it. On the left-hand side, you'll see various options to add and customize elements on your site. This is where we're going to start, so get comfortable here. This is your creative workspace. Now, you need to click on Add Element. This button is your gateway to inserting new features onto your website, including the video background we'll be working with today. After selecting it, a menu will pop up with multiple elements to choose from. From this menu, you can select everything from images and text boxes to more advanced features like video backgrounds, which is what we're focusing on today. Next, if you have your own video that you'd like to use, you'll want to upload it. It's important to ensure the video is optimized for a web environment to ensure smooth loading times and the best user experience. Ideally, your video should be a short loop, muted, and in either MP4 or WebM format. Keep in mind that videos for the web should be lightweight. This means they should load quickly without compromising quality. Also, make sure your video has a good HD resolution so it looks sharp and professional and doesn't appear pixelated when displayed as a large background. If you don't have a custom video, don't worry. You can easily grab a video from the video and music library within the Wix editor. Wix offers a variety of free-to-use clips that you can browse through and select based on the vibe you're looking to achieve. Whether you're going for something calm and serene or more high energy, they have clips that will fit a wide range of styles. Find one that aligns with your site's purpose and your personal taste. For example, a calming nature video could be perfect for a spa or wellness site, while an urban scene could suit a modern tech or business site. After choosing your video, click on the video box on your page. This will allow you to adjust its settings, such as the size, position, and even its opacity. You can apply various effects that enhance its appearance or align it with your website's aesthetic. If you're going for a minimalist, clean look, you might want to adjust the opacity so that the video doesn't overpower the content on your page. Alternatively, you could choose a more vibrant setting to let the video take center stage. Next, click on Animation and Effects. This is where you can really make your video stand out. Experiment with different animations to see what brings the most life to your page. You can choose subtle animations for a gentle effect, or more pronounced ones if you're looking to draw more attention. For example, you could choose a fade-in effect, where the video gradually appears as visitors scroll down the page, or a zoom effect to add some drama to the background. Finally, you simply need to enable the loop option. This setting ensures that your video seamlessly starts over as soon as it ends, creating an uninterrupted visual experience for your visitors. A properly looping video can engage users and keep them exploring your site for longer, as it creates a fluid and immersive experience. This works particularly well for landing pages or home pages, where you want visitors to stay longer and explore your content. And that's it! You've successfully added a looping video background to your Wix site. Remember, with any visual element, it's about ensuring it complements the rest of your content and resonates with your audience. Don't forget to adjust the video settings to make sure it aligns with your site's branding and user experience goals. A well-chosen video background can significantly enhance your website's design and create a memorable experience for your visitors. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing! Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your Wix site. I'll see you in the next video.